Optimizing the Windows 10 base image for desktop virtualization. We need to download the Horizon tool, the OS optimization tool. I already downloaded that one. I'll go to my share location, and here is that Omnisa Horizon OS optimization tool. I will put it in C drive. Open it. Yeah. Accept terms of the agreement. We are doing same thing which we have done in instant clone while we were creating a instant clone image. Okay, so if you want to skip it. Analyze. Nothing changed. I mean, there is no change. This is again the same video. Finalize. I'll come back. Common option. Best performance. Notification. Disable. Update. Disable. Search. Disable. Stored apps. These are fine. Background security. Firewall. Disable. Antivirus. Okay, go to finalize and just click on finalize. Okay, it's done. Shut down Windows, take a snapshot, create or update the pool or farm. Do I need to take the snapshot? If you take the snapshot, that's fine. If you don't, that also fine. This time, while we are configuring the full desktop clone, full desktop pool, the snapshot is not required at all. We are going to convert this the Windows 10 machine into template. So that template we are going to utilize while building a full desktop pool. So snapshot is not needed. Okay, so one thing is pending, that is the agent installation. That is a must. Let's get started. I mean, we will see in next video.